I have flipped that light switch hundreds of times over the years without a cover, but today, I fixed that. Hi, welcome to the studio. My name is Loyal, and I am the host of The LM Show, a 3D printing channel on Twitch, and most recently, this YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you a practical print. For those of you interested in 3D printing, or those of you who are just learning about 3D printing doesn't always have to be about the helmets, the trinkets, and the toys. But we can have a lot of fun with 3D printing practical prints that we use in our everyday life. As I said a moment ago, I have literally flipped that light switch hundreds of times. And of course could easily replace it with the same store-bought light switch covers that already fill the house. But what's the fun in that? And they don't have to be white. We can do them in some fantastic colors, like pinks or purples for my daughter's room, or whatever fun colors the rest of the family wants. Now, where do we find practical objects like this to print? Well, a quick visit and search on printables.com gave us this great light switch cover by Stephen E. Collins. A quick download, default settings for the printer, and in less than 5 minutes our light switch cover is printing. "90 minutes later, and we have our very own practical light switch cover. What we're really trying to do here is trying to inspire people to go grab a 3D printer, learn more about it. If you have a 3D printer already and you haven't printed on it in a while, dust it off, right? Get it out, start printing. Practical prints are a fantastic way to utilize that 3D printer. It's not always for the helmets, it's not always for the trinkets, it's not always for the toys, but we can do fun things like this, which is a practical print, replace a light switch cover in the house, keep things safe, and it's fun. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all of that YouTube stuff. And also visit us on Twitch, twitch.tv/loyalmoses, where we are live 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific. We'll see you over there. It's a great hobby. It's a great, oh my gosh, why is it so hard? Why is talking to you, camera, so difficult? It's like you hate me, camera. Stop hating me.